Here we are, we're grinding the valves. We're grinding the valves with a drill going, spinning the valve. Can you guys see it? There you go. And we got our grinding compound right here. Coarse and fine. Coarse and fine. Very nice. This is in-house from Tashmo. Thank you. Well, you look at that. Look at the surface. All grind. Fresh. Okay. Can I see that? Look at the lip of the valve. Look at that. Oh, nice. Made it surface. Very nice.